Welcome to the channel, guys. Knock Around Guy again, doing more car stuff today. Today we are flushing this transaxle crankcase fluid, whatever you want to call it, out of my 2017 F250 Superduty with a 6.7 Powerstroke. We're going to go ahead and get this started already. I decided to take this blade off, the skid plate. Some people leave it on and let the fluid run through the top of this and come out through the holes, but I don't want to deal with a mess. So I'm just going to take this skid plate off. 2 bolts on this side. These are 13 millimeters, 2 on the other side. Let me work on that and I'll be back. All right, guys. Skid plate is off. But let me mention something. These bolts, these 13 millimeter bolts, are a pain in the butt to remove. They're very strong. I had to use a breaker bar to get them used and to get them loose, and then use my ratchet just to get them all the way out. They were hard all the way out, so be patient with that, guys. Okay. Now onto this right here. We got the drain plug underneath and the fill plug right on top of it, right there. Same 3/8 of an inch square ratchet. It goes straight in there. They're pretty loose. These are not supposed to be tightened by any means. So let's get those out and let's set my oil pan ready and catch this thing. All right, guys, here we go. Here it is, 3/8 ratchet square. This is pretty loose. All right. You got to loosen this one up first, which is your fill plug. Of course, looks pretty good. Here's your plug, fill plug. Now with the fun part, right here. Let's get this baby out. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry for the movement of the camera, guys. I don't have a cameraman yet. All right, we're gonna let that drain for a little bit. It shouldn't be that long. Well, the plug looks identical, just like that. I'm gonna get this some thread sealant in here, just to be safe. All right, that should be it. Let's go ahead and install the plug. I'm gonna put it in by hand first until I feel some tension. No power tools on this stuff, guys. No power tools on either this one or the one on the top. Manual ratchets always. Okay, just that's it. Nothing crazy. That's it, it's done. Now we're gonna go refill. All right, what I'm using now is this Mercon LV transmission fluid. The same transmission fluid you use in your transmission or your power steering, same exact thing. They discontinued the transfer case gear fluid or gear oil that they used to recommend on the manual, but they're recommending this one now. Now the issue that I ran is I need a little pump to pump it into that into that fill hole. So I had this sitting around from my boat. This is the lower gear oil pump, and apparently those quarts, those bottles have the same diameter mouth on these, so that's going to work just fine. So I'm going to hook this up and start pumping oil into that fill hole, and just keep pumping until it starts coming out of the same hole. Once it starts coming out, then you're good to go. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. Suggestion: keep your hand on this on this side of the hole so it doesn't come out, and just start pumping. Here we go. All right. That was 2 quarts, and I don't see it dripping yet. All right, I'm gonna grab another bottle and continue. It should be the last of it. There we go. This should be it. One more pump. Yep, that's it. All right, we're gonna let it settle now. What the hell? Got a whole bunch of stuff going on, guys. I got excavators and peacocks, and it is what it is. All right. That's that. Ooh. There we go. All right. Not too hard. That's it. Snug. Done deal. Wipe the excess of the thread sealant, and that is it, guys. I'll take it for a spin and see how it goes.